Spain to the lilies of Tibet, but not even in London have I seen such a wonder. Lady, look at me, miss, oh look at me, please. Oh, favor me with your glance. Ah, miss, what do you see up there in those trees? Oh, won't you give me a chance? Who would sail to Spain for all its wonders, when in Greenfinch lane lies the greatest wonder yet? Oh, miss, look at you, pale and ivory-skinned. Oh, look at you, looking so sad, so queer. Promise not to retreat to the darkness back of your window, not till you look down here. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Mother, but do you know whose house this is?
Oh, that's the great Judge Champion's house, that is.
And the young lady who resides there?
That's Johanna. His pretty little ward. But don't you go trespassing there, young lad. Not if you value your hide. Tamper there and it's a good whipping for you. And any other you with mischief on his mind. Hey, I'm sailor boy, walking snugly harbored. Open the gate, but don't get straight, I see it leads to starboard.
Here, off with you, off! Well, which one sings the sweetest?
All's the same, sir. 6p and cheap at the price.
Oh, he sings bravely, but why does he batter his wings so wildly against the bars?
Oh, we blinds them, sir. That's what we does. Blinds them and not knowing day from night, they go on singing and singing. Pretty creatures. Have pleasure at the bird, sir. Oh.
I feel you, Johanna. I feel you. I was half convinced I'd waken, satisfied enough to dream you. Happily I was mistaken, Johanna. I'll steal you, Johanna. I'll steal you.
Johanna! Johanna! Boy! If I see your face again on this or any other neighbor street, you'll rue the day you were born. Is that plain enough speaking for you?
Sir, I swear to you there was nothing in my heart but the most respectful
Dispose.
set.
Dear, I knew.
You are his worship.
My friend, I have no fight with you.
Get the gist of it, friend. Next time be your neck. Johanna, if I were to think you had purged that young rogue.
Father, I hope always to be obedient to your commands.
Dear child, how sweet you look in that light muslin gown.
I'll steal you, Johanna. I'll steal you. Do they think that walls deny you? Even now I'm at your window. I am in the dark beside